Okay, stand by. Isang blue lang. Ayun yung blue na.
Mabuti nga, kasi letting you go kayo
Okay na.
Standby mo na lang dito.
Tatawagin na natin. Stand by. Jump, ready? Kaya ba? Kaya ba?
Kaya.
Okay, stand by. Jump. Ready? Ready tayo, jump?
Yep.
Okay, rolling. Rolling, Roy.
Standby.
And rolling. Stand ulit tayo. And 5, 4, 3, akyat.
Alright. Let's go to my guest room.
Yes, and before we do that,
Oh yeah,
look at
that's
the
right.
chandelier, guys. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice. See? Parang old-fashioned din, di ba? It's not really something na magarbo or whatever, but really something very, very unique, very simple.
That's true.
So
And
it's just perfect.
how long have you had it? What is the
Yeah,
name
we
of the
just,
bahay?
yeah.
So lahat dito
Lahat
nakabago pa yan,
yes,
sabi?
Except yung mga, kung ano na yung mga may patayo na, that's it. Wala na akong dinalaw talaga sa body niya. Okay, sa
Nakakatuwa naman. Teka, bago natin bisitahin yung napakarami mong mga bedrooms. Ilang bedrooms ba ito lahat?
Well, actually, yung masters, tapos 2 guest rooms, and then meron na din akong maid's room. So it's
Okay.
just perfect. Kasi ako lang naman sa kapapa ko.
Exactly.
So it's not like we have a big family.
Right.
Diba? So,
That's true. Alright, come on. That's
Alright, sure.
Okay. Hatid ko lang tayo. Okay, sila ko po. Yun na, same yung po nyo, pwedeng gano'n na. Doon ka sa akin. Okay, stand by. Papasok.
Dito tayo.
Diyan kayo galing. Move pa po ng konti. Okay. Rolling, Royce.
Standby.
And
Anytime.
go po.
Okay.
Alright.
So this is your...
This is actually my first guest room.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
I have 2 guest rooms.
That's awesome. Ang sarap naman maging guest dito sa bahay ni Sika. Nakakatuwa.
Yeah, feel at home.
Thank you so much. And why did you choose the color green for your...
Well, for me, it's
guest
really
room?
fresh. Green is fresh. And at the same time, para masabi naman nila na, puro na lang gold or whatever. Kasi once you get there at my living room, akala nila ganun din. Same ang diba? Same ang kulay. So, pagdating naman dito, I wanted to have something different para ma-surprise sila. So, I thought, green, tapos kinombine ko na lang ng darker. So, I thought, it's a good combination. Plus, ito kasi ang theme ng ko, kasi mansion type ang di ba? So gusto ko din parang may pagka-old style talaga.
Oo,
Alam mo na
yung old style na yung sa
yung mga
bedsheets,
kasi bedsheets, mga ganun, di ba?
Oo, that's
O kasi ngayon, hindi ka na makahanap ng mga ganun. Yung mga ibang na, parang simple na nilapad na lang ng mga bedsheet, mga ganun, tama na yun, di ba? Pero I want really something na talagang pag wow.
Ano yung nakakatuwa na talagang alam mo na yung mismo gusto mo sa bahay.
Yes,
Saka,
yeah.
ang ganda ng napili mong tema kasi
Oo.
may character eh.
May character talaga. Yung parang pag pumunta ako dito, parang naalala ko yung mga grandmothers ko, yung mga ninuno ko. Yung mga ganon, di ba? Yung para bang style Maria Clara type, mga Spanish, ganun kasi, di ba? Ako rin meron kasi ako Spanish background din sa tatay ko. So I thought, para bang part of my ancestral,
That's
diba?
nice. So, it's nice to have a home that reminds you of your loved
It
ones.
reminds me
diba?
about, kung ano yung mga ancestors kung
Ito,
gano'n. Oo.
exactly. Sino ba yung mga usually nagsistay dito sa guest
My
room?
mom, most especially my mom, okay, my
Really?
sister, okay, kung sino yung mga, anybody coming from the province, so, lalo pag pamilya, meron silang
Your province again?
my province is Tuguegarao City.
Around. Yes,
Yes,
that's awesome. Minsan na sila nakakarating dito?
Madalas nga eh.
Oh, that's good.
Oo, madalas. In every occasion, kailangan she has to be here. Kasi sabi ko, Mom, you won't know anymore kung kailan ulit ako makapagbakasyon. So, it's much better na ikaw na lang pumunta dito.
Tama.
Diba?
Exactly.
Kasi alam mo showbiz, diba?
Very
Yung ano natin, yung mga time natin.
Totoo yan. Ito ba minsan iniiba-iba mo rin yung motif or yung color or consistent ka lang at green for this room?
No, actually, ang kapalit nito would be something like cream. It's more
okay.
of cream.
Okay.
Ganon. Oo. Para at least kahit anong klaseng tao, either boy or girl, yun pwede yun eh.
Actually,
Hindi katulad ng red. Red talagang babae, di or pink, babae talaga. So I wanted something na Pwede, unisex.
Actually,
gano'n,
green
oo.
naman, unisex
Oo,
din
oo,
nila,
oo,
diba? That's
oo,
very
unisex
true.
and green, okay, blue.
Exactly.
So it's either yung mga ganung kulay, blue or, you know, ganun. Kaya,
Hey, that's a good
I thought
idea.
it's a great, oo.
Exactly, it's a good idea for the homeowners out
Right.
there, though, for their guest room.
Yes, that's right. Plus the fact na maaliwalas din yung puti.
Correct.
Yung puti. So I thought yun. And of course, sometimes like, I want them to feel at home na hindi na sila, let's say my mom, she doesn't like to go downstairs, ang iingay mga ano. So, I like her to have her own privacy. She doesn't have to go down para kumuha ng tubig.
May
or
sarili
whatever.
siyang ref.
May sarili siyang ref, may sarili siyang TV.
Awesome.
Kasi ang mami ko kasi, kung minsan naaawa ko yung panahon ko pataas, mga ganun, diba? So, I mean, I made it
That's not
easier for
good for
her.
her.
Yeah.
Totoo yan.
So I thought, diba, what's
That's
another,
true. And ang cute naman ng design nito, yung side tables. Ano ba ito? Parang maliit na bahay.
oh, parang maliit na bahay. Talagang meron ko rin pagka-Pinoy style. Di ba sabi ko yung, gusto ko yung talagang old, pero Filipino pa rin ang tema. So, instead na putting something like, usually kasi mga lampshade,
Correct.
mga di ba? Pero I thought, I want to put something different. Kaya, sabi ko, yung may pagka-Pinoy na, yun, di ba? Shell,
Cute.
coconut shell, di ba?
Stay true
Ganun
to your
din.
nationality,
Oo nga eh.
di ba?
So, yan. So, at least meron pa rin pagka-Pilipino talaga.
Tama.
So, yun.
And yun ba rin yung dahilan na naging gumamit kayo ng wooden tables?
Yeah, wooden talaga. Wooden. Kasi yun nga, yung wood talaga, parang yung old style ba? May pagka-antique, kumbaga kung ano, di ba? Gusto ko pa rin yung may pagka-antique na tema kung sakali man. So I thought, wood last the color tone. I could have put like gold or whatever, but I thought, no, kailangan talagang mag-itsura talaga na parang old ang style. So I thought, plus, you know, black.
Oo
Oh,
nga.
very simple.
Right.
Diba?
I wonder, ganun din ba ang tema sa ibang mga rooms dito? Let's find out.
Well, let's go. Let's go and take a look at it.
Alright.
And find out.
Okay ka. Magla tayo.